I used to copy-paste WordPress code from Stack Overflow without understanding what it actually did. One wrong character in functions.php, and boom, white screen of death. Here's the truth. WordPress runs on just 8 core code concepts. Learn them, and you stop guessing and start building. Before you touch functions.php, 3 rules. Back up your site first. Use a child theme, never the parent theme directly. And if you can, use the Code Snippets plugin instead of editing functions.php at all. One missing semicolon breaks everything. So here are the 8. Add action, add filter, WP_query, short codes, WP unqueue, custom post types, the REST API, and transients. That's the whole map. Start with add_action. Think of it as, when X happens, do Y. Event-driven programming, made simple. This exact code adds a custom message to the footer of every page on your site. Add it, save it, scroll to the bottom. There it is. Actions add new things. Filters change what's already there. This filter adds a reading time estimate above every blog post, automatically. I use the same trick to add a call to action to over 40 of my error fix posts. Update one function, every post updates. Want to pull WordPress data from anywhere? Every WordPress site ships a REST API for free. Add /wp-JSON/WP/v2/post to your domain, and you get real data back as JSON. No extra code needed. Here's mine live right now. This next one is just caching, but it's the one that actually moved the needle for me. Transients took a page on my site from 8 seconds to load, down to 1.2. Same query, just cached properly. The mistakes I see most, because I've made every one of them. Editing the parent theme directly, forgetting to reset post data after a custom query, not sanitizing shortcode input, and forgetting to flush permalinks after a new post type. Don't learn all 8 at once. Week 1, hooks. Week 2, WP query and shortcodes. Week 3, onqueue and custom post types. Week 4, REST API and transients. 1 a week. That's how I actually learned this. These 8 concepts run every WordPress site you've ever used. Start with add_action and add_filter. Everything else builds on those. Pick one, try it this week, and let me know how it goes.